Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start right in a call, so open FaceTime and join or place the call now. Make sure your Apple ID is active and iPad OS supports Memoji, otherwise you can't apply them. Once in the call, tap the effects icon. This reveals Memojis and stickers. Choose an existing Memoji or create a new one by tapping the plus. You do this first because FaceTime needs real-time camera access to map facial movements. That mapping is what makes the Memoji follow you. Now customize or select the Memoji you want to use during the call. Tap the Memoji editor to change facial features, hair, headwear, and even accessories. This improves recognition and makes the avatar feel like you. Once done, tap the Memoji thumbnail to apply it. FaceTime overlays it in real time and mirrors expressions thanks to the true depth or camera tracking. If you switch cameras or pause, make sure to reselect the Memoji so the overlay stays active. To finish, tap effects again and choose none or switch back to your regular video. If the Memoji lags or fails to track, first switch between front and rear cameras or briefly disable and re-enable the effect. This often forces the tracker to recalibrate. If problems persist, close FaceTime and reopen it, check camera permission in settings, and make sure your iPad OS is up to date. These steps solve most issues because tracking depends on permissions, camera feed quality, and system support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.